Back inside the big dome, Nico Halili kasama si Rado Di Malibot. Adam Parada in the meantime. Aba, alam mo, normally, siyang pumapalpal sa mga tira ng kalaban. But Reda Ralimi showing Parada a thing or two tonight.
Correct. At talagang nakakatikim siya ng maigi mula dito sa kanyang kalaban. As I was saying, in fact, I believe Reda Ralimi has the cards of Adam Parada right now. Well, very interesting point here. Ano? Doon sa 4 na panalo ng Pure Foods, ito po ang nagiging point distribution ng kanilang mga players. Kapag sila yung nananalo, James Yap ang kailangan nilang mag-deliver dyan. He's averaging 27 points kapag nananalo sila. Pero pag natatalo sila, aba, mga 16% lamang ang kanyang naitatala. But tonight, ang laki ng production nito si James Yap already with 17 points. So, yung kanyang 25% ay lampas na.
Good job, by the way, from our graphics team. Talagang pang-mathematics yung ginawa nila dun.
Well researched. Pero ang mas mahalaga dun, not only 2 players, but yung the rest of the team.
Kaya barometer talaga yung dalawang mama. Nalini and James yan.
Ay, pero ito, makikita mo. Ngayon na nangunguna itong ika nga pag-check lahat yun. Maganda yung scoring ni Ralim, maganda yung scoring ni Yap. Maganda rin yung support ng kanilang bench. Aba, mas magandang indikasyon yun.
That's a big reason why Pure Foods is ahead by 3 as Simon finds James Yap all alone. In and out. Simon gets the long offensive rebound. Under 2 minutes to go in the third quarter. Bagong shot clock para sa Pure Foods. They go to James Yap, hounded by Adriano. James Yap on the move. Step back, jumper is no good.
But with that move of James Yap, yung pag nagsa-sidestep ito, no, yung ang layo na kagad ng pagitan nung bumabantay sa kanya. Buti na lamang namin t-shirt at nakahinga si Kiko Adriano, but otherwise it's been another move para dito kay James Yap.
Here's Reba. 10 to shoot para sa Red Bull. They go to Adriano. 9 on the shot clock. Adam Parada, short.
Not as confident anymore ito si Adam Parada. Ayun ang binabanggit natin. Ito si Red Ralimi has been giving him headaches tonight.
Here's Salino Cruz. 4-3. Yes, sir. That's confidence for you. A 3-pointer on the break. TM3 for the former FEU point guard.
Over 4 white shirts on transition defense. So, para sa mga coach, ay namin siya, sigurado ang pag-alit. Pero pagpasok, okay lang.
And we're tied at 66 here in the third quarter. Under a minute to play. And here's James Yap on the move. He overshoots. Rayback with a rebound. Takbo ng Red Bull dito. Here comes Salino Cruz and he loses the ball, but he was fouled.
Well, there might have been a foul, but it's a bit late. That's why the howl of the Pure Foods fans. In fact, ito si Salino Cruz was anticipating that call. A split second late, but the contact was there in fairness.
And the contact caused Salino Cruz to lose the ball.
Yeah.
Yan ang deliberation process dyan. Napatagal lang ng konti. Correct call nonetheless.
Especially with our technical philosophy na pinag-sinasin for the partner.
Displaced, dispossessed.
Pero madami ngayon, mga possessed eh. Oo, ito magaganda
Huwag
yung
naman yung possessed.
mga nilalaro. Ito yung mga ano lang yan. Figuratively possessed. Yeah, especially the impulse.
Para si Ralimi.
Correct.
He is possessed because he playing splendid basketball here.
James Yap and Cyrus Baguio as well. Talagang may init ang nilalaro dito. But don't look now. Lamang na ang Red Bull ulit.
But just one. And it's an offensive foul against Lanete.
But mukhang nalimutan ni Chico Lanete that he can actually touch that ball again. Yun pa man, matatawagan ba siya ng pangatlong personal foul niya. And another chance for Red Bull to extend their lead.
28 seconds remaining in the third quarter. And you know, quietly, Red Bull overtaking Pure Foods in this period. Here's Gunsil on the move. Gunsil loses it. And this will mean free throws. Dahil penalty na, dalawang kupunan.
That's the tendency of a player who loses a ball. Yung kagustuhan niyang ma-recover ito, usually foul na lang ang inaabot nito. Just like what Jojo Duncil did. So, nag-backfire sa kanila. Imbis na ma-extend nila yung kalamangan. May pagkakataon ngayon. Itong mga taga-Pure Foods na ibalik ang kalamangan sa Giants with 14.5 seconds remaining in the third quarter. As Roger Yap tallies his 6th point in the ballgame.
A saving grace for Red Bull here is that they can go for the last shot of the third quarter. They can actually end the third quarter with the lead. Pero ngayon, lamang ang Pure Foods, 68-67. 14 seconds to go bago matapos ang third period. Red Bull hopes to write the last sentence of the third chapter. Duncil has the basketball with 6 seconds to go in the third. Handoff para kay Rayback.
As you were saying, it was actually a handoff pero si Rayback nalimutan yung bola.
2 seconds to go. Shot was blocked by Adriano. At dyan magtatapos ang third quarter with Pure Foods managing to regain the lead 68-67. Bagamat pansamantalang natikman ng Red Bull ang kalamangan in that rugged third quarter. Pure Foods on top by 1, 68-67. The payoff period is coming right up.